Ordinarily, data from a form instance will be represented in a report as a single set of data. However, when there is a table object in a form, then each row of data in that table will be represented in a report as a single set of data. In such cases, a single form instance can produce multiple sets of data. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the effect that table objects can have on reports. Let's first take a look at the form we will be using. There are some fields that record information about a new customer, and there is a table that records information about important contacts at that customer. It's very likely that there will be more than one contact per customer. Let's now look at the report which is already linked to this form. In the data source, you will notice that we have selected fields from the main part of the form, and we have also selected fields from the table too. In the report, we have two data lists. The first of these will only display data from the main part of the form. The second data list will display the company name, data from the main part of the form, but it will also display contact details, and this data is coming from the table object on the form. How will this affect the report? Well, let's preview the report and take a look. As you can see, the first data list is only showing one element of data for each form instance, but the second data list is showing one element for each row in the table object. As both data lists are linked to the same data source, it's also possible to initiate filters that will apply to both reporting objects. That concludes the demonstration of how data from a table object can affect how a report works.